Let me tell you a secret. The moment I started improving my English, my confidence completely changed. Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about why English is so important in our lives. English, it is not just a subject. It is a skill that opens doors to the world. We can communicate with more people, we can get better job opportunities, and we can express our ideas clearly. When you are speaking English confidently, people listen to you, and that's powerful. I still make mistakes sometimes, but I keep learning every day because progress is more important than perfection. So, if you are learning English, keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking, and one day you will thank yourself for starting. Remember, English is not a language, it is a bridge to your dreams. So start today. All the best. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.